Hello friends, welcome to Homeopathic Letter. Topic is wound healing pathology. So mainly wound healing consists of two parts. One is regeneration, another is repair. What is regeneration? Regeneration means, what is regeneration? Regeneration means the healing takes place by the proliferation of a parenchymal cell. Usually restoration of the original tissue occur in the regeneration. But repair means there is two things will be happen: fibrosis and scarring formation occur. Why? Because of a connective tissue proliferation occurs in repair. Now regeneration is occurs by what are the things? Mainly regeneration is occurs by these cells, mainly the labile cell, stable cell, permanent cell. What is labile cell? Those cells which are found in the epidermis, lymph and vagina, uterus. These cells are always continuously multiply throughout the life. What is stable cell? The cell which decrease or lost their ability to proliferation after adolescence or retain the maturity, they lost their ability, such as pancreas, kidney, adrenal, thyroid. And permanent is they lose their ability throughout from birth throughout the life. That is nervous system, skeletal, cardiac muscle. Now what are the repair we will discuss. Healing we discuss one regeneration, another thing is repair. Now repair part is come. What is repair? Repair is mainly three things will be occur. There is new blood vessel formation, that is new vascularization occur, proliferation occur of that tissue, granulation tissue occur, then granulation tissue when proliferation occur, then leads to scar formation occur. These are the five things will be happen in the repair. Then now we go to what are the factors affecting repair. Before that we should know what is the proliferative phase. What happens in proliferative phase? There will be the proliferation of the tissue occur. We know which tissue? Fibrous tissue. Granulation tissue will be also proliferation occur. Then scar tissue will be occur. In granulation there is a type 3 collagen. In scar there is a type 1 collagen. Let's we discuss about factors affecting repair, that is local factor and a general factor. In local factor we discuss infection, poor blood supply, foreign bodies, ionizing radiation. These are causes the repairing delay. And general factor mainly if age is younger, having more repairing capacity more than the older. Then nutritional effect such as in the metabolic acidosis, diabetes or any, they are having the repair is slower than the normal people. Then cold, in cold there is reparation occur very slowly. Now we will discuss about the healing of the skin wound. How skin wound will be healing of the skin wound mainly two types, that is healing by primary incision, healing by secondary incision. In healing in the primary incision, what happens? The wound should be clean, uninfected, surgically incised without loss of a moist cell, and the wound is such as the wound should be more closely apposition, means they are having less gap in between the adjacent tissue. That is what happened. These are the healing in first incision. Then mainly surgical healing are occurs in the first events. What are the stages occur in the primary union? Initial hemorrhage occurs. Initial hemorrhage, there is what happened, the approximate of the incised wound they become approximate. Okay, healing so that the clot will be formation occur. So clot is formed and which seal the wound so that more and more infection will be not found. Then acute inflammatory response. So here neutrophil is coming to that cell injury, and more neutrophil increases so that the granulation tissue will be formation occur. This neutrophil, then epithelial changes occur. Epithelial changes means from the cut margin, from this cut margin the tissue are formed, migrate and epidermal tissue are formed, and the basal cell is first formed. Then the first is here the basal cell formation. Then after that there will be the epidermis, dermis will be formed. Then lastly organization occur. Then suture tract will be we also found in this primary intention. Then we go to the suture tract is commonly in the 7th day. This is a primary, this is 24 hours, this is occur 3 to 5 days. Then this is occur, organization occur in the 5th organization occur in the 5th day. New collagen formation occur, fibroblasts invade the wound area, scar tissue will be formed, and the inflammatory and epithelial surface is also formed in the organization. Suture tract we discussed. Then now we go towards the healing in the second intention. There is also three things will be open wound. The condition is that the second intention mainly the wound which are open and there is extensive loss will be occur. There is much loss will be occur. Then here what are the phases will be happen? There is first same as the first intention. There is initial hemorrhage occur, so that the wound space is filled by blood and fibrin curve, such as in primary intention. Then inflammatory phase, all the polymorph new cells are aggregate in that wound area. Epithelial changes, that is epidermal cells from both margin would migration occur and the scar formation occur lastly. Then in the granulation tissue there will be fibroblast formation occur, neovascular. There is important mark which differentiates between secondary versus primary, that is our wound contraction, which is not found in the primary, but in secondary there is important, because due to this wound contraction the much tissue-less area will be get apposition, and so that the healing will be occur more and easily. Presence of infection if occur, then necrosis, suppuration and thrombosis will be happen. This is then what are the complications if the infection, implantation, pigmentation, scar formation such as cyst if found or keloid is found, so that the healing will be late. Lastly, what are the things will be found in the pathological fracture healing? Mainly in fracture healing the condition should be the traumatic fracture, the complete or incomplete fracture or close splintering of bone. If occur, then the healing will be occur by collagen primary union. In the fracture union also two things, primary union, secondary union. In the primary union what happens, there will be the fracture apposition occurs by the application of a certain cramp metal plate. Bony union occurs by the medullary, so that the medullary callus formation occurs, which causes bone union within the periosteal callus. This is, and in secondary callus there is procallus formation occur, osseous callus formation occur, then remodeling occur. What are the phases occur in the procallus? There will be hematomas occur, then local inflammatory such as in primary and secondary of wound healing we discussed. Surgical wound healing family in occurs in the fracture healing. But here the one thing is occur, there will be mesenchymal, periosteum and endostem growth occur, which leads to formation of a oven bone and a cartilage. And this oven bone and cartilage, when maturity occur, the macrophages and other osteoclasts are engulfed and clear this. Then osseous callus formation, which is formed by the laminar bone, oven bone is discarded in that phase, osseous callus formation phase. Then lastly remodeling. In the remodeling we know what happens. There will be the formation of the laminar bone, osteotic activity occur, and the bone marrow cavity will be formation occur. These are all about the fracture healing and wound healing of the pathology.